how to do a deep barbell back squat. This exercise is awesome for your quads and especially for your glutes. We are going to keep your glutes engaged the whole time. If you want to be building a nice round booty and get nice tight glutes and hamstrings and actually really great quads too, this is the exercise. Okay, so I have this set on a rack for demonstration. I'm just going to show you how to do it with a bar right now because I want first to make sure you're using awesome form. So never, you always want to come up to the bar and be totally under it before you lift it off. This exercise has the bar on the back of your shoulders. So I have this set just a little bit lower than my shoulder height. So step underneath the bar, bring your shoulders up, and feet are now directly under the bar, chest is lifted. So I'm just going to stand up straight for dump, and then you're going to take a small step back here. Feet stay just about shoulder width apart, hands on the bar the whole time. I really want you to wrap your fingers around, keep a good grip. Chest is going to be lifted, and as you come down, I want your glutes engaged the whole time. So squeezing through your glutes, dropping it down, and letting your hips come all the way down to parallel with your knees. And then pushing back up and a little bit of a roll under of your hips at the top so you can really feel those glutes. If your knees are good, if you don't have any knee problems, you can come down and let this movement really get low. And then as you drive back up, you're pushing through your hamstrings, through your glutes, and doing a little bit of a roll under at the top. So chest stays up, coming down, and pushing up. Now one of the little things I do is I keep my toes lifted just a bit. Probably can't see with my shoes, but my weight is pushing through my heels throughout this deep back squat. That helps me keep my glutes engaged and keep pushing through in the movement. All right, make sure you're not holding your breath. You want to be breathing out, step back up, and back into the rack. As you become really competent with this move, put some weight on and work up in small increments. And that is the deep barbell back squat.